So first we have to enter opening stock. To opening stock 30,000, 26,000, 22,000. 30,000, 26,000 and 22,000. After that we have to enter purchase. Debit purchase. Purchase 80,000, 1,40,000 and 60,000. 80,000, 1,40,000 and 60,000. Next, sales. By sales, we have 1,50,000, 1,40,000 and 1,30,000. 1,50,000, 1,40,000 and 1,30,000. After that, they have given clothing stock, which is to be entered last. Next, wages. Debit the wages. Wages 20,000, 16,000 and 12,000. So after wages, they have given common expenses. Common expenses, salaries, rent, discount allowed, discount issued, labor expense, electricity, and there is an interdepartmental transfer, which is from A to B and B to C. So first we have to record by interdepartmental transfer A to B and B to C. A to B, it means A is selling department 8,000 and B to C. Here B is selling department 6,000. Vice versa, it should be debited to interdepartmental transfer A to B, B to C. A to B, it means we have to debit for B 8,000. Next, B to C, we have to debit for C 6,000. So after that, by closing stock, we have to enter closing stock. The closing stock is 36,000, 20,000 and 28,000. 36,000, 20,000 and 28,000. So after that, make total of the trading account. Make total of trading account. Trading account total ಮಾಡಿ. $1,58,000. 1,66,000. 1,94,000. Is it right?
Yes, sir. Gross. Not very.
1,94,000.
Sir,
Good.
like
Tell me.
90,000.
Hear me.
1 lakh
So department की 1,90,000 बराबर है.
1 lakh.
Gross loss
90,000 अंदर इधर loss आवाज़ है department की.
Loss of budget. Okay.
Yes.
But there will be no problem. Gross profit or gross loss. So, let me see. 96. It is 1,90,000. B.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, calculate how much is the gross profit.
24,000.
Tell me.
24,000.
So gross profit of A is 64,000.
Sir, B
64
is 20.
64,000, sir.
A 64,000. Gross profit.
64.
A 64.
Four. C
B.
58,000. 24,000. 24,000.
Next.
C 58,000. 58,000.
Okay. Okay. 58,000. Noted. Next. By gross profit A 64,000, B nil, and C 58,000. Vice versa. To gross loss, we have B only 24,000. After that, we have to debit the expenses. First one, salaries. We have allocated salaries 24,000.
12,000,
How much
8,000
it
and
is?
4,000.
12,000, 8,000, 4,000, sir.
12,000, 8,000, and 4,000. Okay. Next, salaries completed. Next, rent.
Equally, sir. 4,000, 4,000.
4.
Equally, sir.
4,000 each. 4,000. 4,000 each. ನೀವು ಇನ್ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಏನು ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ. ನೀವು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದಷ್ಟೇ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ನನ್ಗ. ಓಕೆ. ರೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಡ್. So allocated amount here discount issued.
1,600.
1,600, sir.
1,600.
2,800.
1,000.
2,800.
2,800.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ 1,600. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್
2,800.
Next,
1,200.
1,200.
next one. After discount is student, we have labor expenses. So total amount of 12,000. How much is the allocated balance?
Sir, the labor welfare expense wages ratio ಮೇಲೆ ಎದಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್
ವೇಜಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಾಗ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ವೇಜ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಗ ಥಿಯರಿ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೆ ಅದರೊಳಗಿದೆ.
ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಸರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೇಬರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ರೇಷಿಯೋ
If wages is given, if wages is given, we have to allocate labor expense on wage ratio.
if not then we can do it on number of labors sir.
If not given, we have to take on that one of number of employees.
Okay.
If number of employees is also not given, we have to allocate common expenses if specifically they have mentioned it.
Okay sir.
So tell me, how much is the allocated balance of labor expenses?
5,000, 4,000 and 3,000 sir. $5,000, 4,000 and 3,000.
Total ನೋಡಿ.
The age total is 65,600. B's total is 40,800. And C's total is 59,200.
sir.
The net profit of A is 43,000. 43,000, sir. And the net profit of C is 47,800. And net loss of B is 38,000, sir.
So, okay. After that, they will ask you two questions. A, calculate profit or loss of all department. You have to give number one for this question or this statement. This statement you have to give number one. That is profit or loss of all department. Here, department A, net profit 43,000 and department B 47,800. But in case of department B, we have loss of 38,000. Suggest which department should be closed and why. So here, the department B is to be closed because it is under loss. Vice versa, it is also under loss also. There is a loss of rupees 24,000 and net loss of rupees 38,000. So B, question number B, answer it is first A. Next B. B, write down B. The department B. The department B. Department B is to be closed. Department B is to be closed. Because it is under loss. It is under loss. It is under loss. So this is the statement of 2018 case study.